In this video, we're going to show you how to fix app permissions and access issues on Shopify. When installing or using Shopify apps, you may sometimes run into permission-related problems. An app might fail to load, certain features may not work, or you may see errors indicating that the app does not have sufficient access to your store data. These issues usually happen because the app was not granted the correct permissions during installation, the Shopify account role is restricted, or access scopes were changed after setup. The good news is that permission issues are usually easy to fix once you know where to look. By the end of this video, you'll understand how Shopify app permissions work and how to restore access so your apps function correctly. So, let's get started. The first method is to review the app permissions in your Shopify admin. Log in to your Shopify dashboard. From the left navigation menu, click Apps, then select the app that is causing the issue. Check whether the app shows any warnings about missing permissions or incomplete setup. If prompted, reauthorize the app and accept the requested permissions. This often restores full functionality immediately. Next, reinstall the app if permissions are still not working correctly. Uninstall the app from your Shopify admin and then reinstall it from the Shopify App Store. During reinstallation, carefully review all permission requests and make sure you approve the necessary access. Another important step is to check your Shopify staff account permissions. If you're not the store owner, your account may not have sufficient privileges to grant full app access. Go to Settings, then Users and Permissions, and verify that your account has the required access levels for apps and store data. If needed, ask the store owner to adjust your permissions. You should also ensure that the app is compatible with your current Shopify plan. Some apps require specific store features or plan levels to function properly. Finally, check whether the app needs re-authentication after updates. Some apps require you to reconnect your Shopify store after changes in permissions or API access. In most situations, these steps will resolve app permission and access issues. Now, let's quickly recap what we covered. First, review and reauthorize the app permissions in your Shopify admin. Second, reinstall the app if necessary to reset access. And third, check your staff account permissions and ensure your Shopify plan supports the app. Remember that app permission issues are usually caused by incomplete authorization or restricted user roles, rather than technical faults. Taking a few minutes to carefully recheck permissions can quickly restore full app functionality. And that's how to fix app permissions and access issues on Shopify. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who want to build a successful Shopify store. Your support helps us create more tutorials, e-commerce guides, and practical tips to help you grow your online business. If there's another Shopify feature you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.